If breastfeeding hurts every time your baby latches, a shallow latch may be the reason. The good news is that small changes can make a big difference. You're watching Pump with Thilly, and today we're talking about how to fix shallow latching pain and make breastfeeding more comfortable. With a shallow latch, your baby may take mostly the nipple instead of getting a deep mouthful of breast tissue. This can cause pinching, soreness, cracked nipples, clicking sounds, or a baby who seems frustrated during feeds. Start by getting into a comfortable position and bringing your baby close, tummy to tummy. Keep your baby's nose near your nipple and wait for a wide open mouth. Then bring your baby toward the breast, rather than leaning your breast toward the baby. Aim your nipple toward the roof of your baby's mouth so more breast tissue enters deeply. Your baby's chin should touch the breast, while the nose remains free or only lightly touching. You should notice more areola inside your baby's mouth below the nipple than above it. A deep latch should feel like pulling or tugging rather than sharp pinching. If the latch hurts, don't simply push through the pain. Break the suction gently by inserting a clean finger into the corner of your baby's mouth, then try again. Sometimes repositioning just a little can completely change how the latch feels. A football hold, cross-cradle hold, or laid-back breastfeeding position may also help you achieve a deeper latch. Supporting your breast and keeping your baby's body aligned can make it easier for your baby to stay attached. If your nipples remain damaged, pain continues throughout the entire feeding, or your baby has difficulty transferring milk, consider getting help from an international board-certified lactation consultant, or IBCLC. Persistent pain can sometimes be related to other breastfeeding issues that need individual assessment. Remember, breastfeeding is not supposed to feel like something you simply have to endure. A comfortable, deep latch can protect your nipples, improve milk transfer, and make feeding much more enjoyable. For more practical breastfeeding and pumping guidance, subscribe to Pump with Thilly. You're doing your best, Mama, and you don't have to figure it all out alone.